morning to all. My name is Prakhar Choudhary and I am a student of class 8th Montfort School, Mandla. I am 13 years old and today I am here to present my views on the chosen topic if I could design a school. If I ever get a chance to design my own school, then the classes would be based on two main components. First, what students are interested in, and second, what students are going to need in their lives for after graduating. Sometimes there are classes which we don't necessarily like but are required to take because they teach us something which is required in the real world. However, it is proven that if a child is enjoying a class, he or she is more likely to absorb the lesson. And if there are such existing methods, so that's the information to act on. Also in our schools, we get certified as passed or failed due to our examination marks. And in my school, I want to make sure that examination marks are not the only criteria to determine a student's ability. There should be some more practical activities to make sure that the student gets and understands the lesson. There should be a vast knowledge garden from where we can borrow books to increase our knowledge. And it is also important to put natural light in the library too. An ideal school, according to me, is a place where students learn happily to get successful in their lives. So in a nutshell, I would like to conclude that school education is something which makes our future better, and it should be able to teach a person how to take care of its own responsibilities. And if we don't change our school or fix our school, then the students are gonna be dull, boring and uninspiring. So I'm gonna make sure that my students are happy and are not under huge academic pressure. Thank you and stay home, stay safe.